Hey you guys, so I ordered this black peel and stick water resistant wallpaper from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. But I ordered 4. It should be an easy installation. You can also use this for, I believe, cabinets and stuff like that. But today I'm just gonna use it for wallpaper. Let me go ahead and show you guys when I open it what it looks like. It's a matte black. Not sure if the camera's picking it up well, but it does look like that. I'm trying to show you guys the length that it came in. Let me see, where does that say? I'm not seeing how long it is. I don't remember right now off the top of my head, but of course I'll link it down below and you guys can check it out. Oh, look, it's right there. It says 24 inches. So that means from here to here is 24. And then it says 393 inches, which will be the length up and down. If I did my math correctly, it should be seven stripes up and down, meaning 1 there, 2, hopefully this isn't making you guys dizzy, but it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'll have to open another roll with another 7. I guess you guys will just see that right now. Not sure if I'm gonna do this in slow-mo, fast mode, or what. I don't want to make this video too long because my last video that I did of the peel and stick backsplash was pretty long, but I was trying to be informative. This, of course, should be easier because there's no print to it. It's just black. This is what it looks like. It's really super thin. Let me see if I can unpeel it for you guys. I can't because I don't have my other hand, but maybe I'll show you later on in the video. But that's what it looks like. It is very durable, flimsy, paper-like. It's not too thick. It should be easy to work with. And yeah, let's just get started. So again, I will link this brand, this exact paper that I ordered down below so you guys can get the same one. This is how big it is, thick it is, whatever. It seems like a lot. Actually, when I looked at all 4 rolls, I was thinking, oh God, did I order too many? But let's just get started, see how it goes, and get my bedroom done and over with. Again, I will be doing my wall and my son's wall, but I'm gonna speed this part up while we install it so we can just get it over with. And I'll show you guys maybe later what the stick feels like or looks like if I remember. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below and let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so far we've only used 1 roll and we just opened our 2nd roll and we put 1 stripe down. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the flaws, I guess. Not necessarily in the paper itself, but just what we have been doing. So this is a far away image. I'm sure you guys can see there and there. Well, that's because the roll ended there and we had to start a new one. But I really do love it. You guys can see all the stripes in the camera, but in person you can't really see them. Anyways, let me go show you guys. So right here, we came to the middle of the wall, and this is where the paper started to end. So I wasn't too concerned with not overlapping the paper because what we've been doing is overlapping. I don't know if you guys can see. I know you can see my shadow, but we were overlapping it slightly, but then here it started not overlapping, but I didn't care too much because like I said, the roll ended there and then we came to this. So when we came here, we actually just overlaid it and then razored around it. And then we had to start the new roll there. But I also didn't care that it didn't meet up because this is the middle of the room. So hopefully the bed is going to cover all the flaws here. But of course, when we're working from the top, I'm pretty anal about that because that area needs to be perfect. But on the bottom here, it's going to be covered by a big bed. So that's the flaw in this. But again, it's not the paper. Also, the paper is very stretchable. So if you need to like stretch and pull, it does stretch and pull with whatever you're doing. What else? Let me see. Here's the mess. But I'm gonna continue to do the rest of that area and then we're done. So it only really took a roll and not even a half, like a quarter, just to do one master room wall. So like I thought, I might have got too much, but then again, I have so many walls in the house that I can probably do this too, if I'd like. Okay, you guys, so we have a system going on. Pretty much I hold the roll here and pull the black and the white as my dad lays it down there. Sorry for my shadow, but I just wanted to show you guys really fast what we're doing. So he lays it there, I pull it here, and it's pretty easy. You just pull it straight down, rub it in, and then it sticks to the wall. So if you have a second person to help you, that really helps. But that's the system we got. Hopefully you guys can do it the same way and it works easy. All right, let's continue. So once we get the wallpaper flush against the wall and we get to the very end, you just want to make sure that you crease it into the little crease here with a nail, your finger, whatever you want to do. And it actually cuts pretty easy, but my dad's going to take a razor to the edge and then it'll just pull apart easily. So we'll show you guys that next. Ooh, it's looking cute, whatever. All right, you guys, so we came to the very end of the wall and we have a little space that is, let's see, a couple inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the whole roll like we've been doing and lay it across the top. And then whatever comes on this corner, we'll just razor on the edge of the corner. And then the excess that comes here on this wall, we'll use it down here because it's gonna end right there, the roll. Hopefully that makes sense, but that's the best way I can explain it. I'm sure you guys will get it if you guys are doing the same exact thing. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so we laid it down and it overlaid to that side, but we're pressing the crease into the corner. So let me show you an example. So it looks like this right now, really funky. But what we're doing is just pressing this area into the corner. Don't keep going, wait. Into the corner so then we can rip that off. But save that because we got to use that. But that's how we're kind of doing the corner here. All right, stop cutting and then let's keep pressing and I'll hold this side.
Oh, don't pull it, you're gonna tear it.
No, okay, you guys, I'll come back in a second. So this is the finished product. Obviously there's the flaws that I showed you guys, but I'm gonna have a lot of things coming into this room. I'm gonna have a big bed, a side table on each side. I'm probably gonna have mirrors along the walls on each side. I'll probably have a big picture in the middle. all sorts of things are going to be coming in here, plants and stuff probably. I have ideals what I want to do, but I'm not going to be picky about the little white showing there because it all should be covered. But I did want to show you guys the finished product on my room. I still have to do my son's room, so I'm going to get to that next. Not tonight, but probably on Saturday. So you guys will see that in like 2 seconds for you guys. I am going to add it to this part. Crack kills. Be careful out there. But anyways, this is the master bedroom done. I will show you guys in a second when we start my son's. Obviously, if there's air bubbles like here, you want to rub them out. But again, this was pretty easy, but also a lot of work at the same time. Took about an hour and a half, depending on how many breaks you take and stuff like that. But highly recommend in person. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks so good in real life. And then obviously you guys, if you keep up with me, you'll see at the very end, like down the line, what my bedroom looks like overall. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this portion, and let's get into the next.